Hey, Alice, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a real-life situation where you needed to speak English, but you didn't know what to say at that exact moment?
Oh, yes, many times. Especially when I am in a new place or talking to someone for the first time. I understand a little, but I don't know how to answer.
Exactly. And that's the biggest problem for most learners. They study English, but they don't practice real conversations.
And when the moment comes, they feel nervous, confused, and sometimes they just stay silent.
That's why today's lesson is very important because we are going to practice real-life English conversations step by step.
Yes, situations that you can use every day, like asking for directions, ordering food, meeting people, shopping, and more.
So don't just listen. Imagine yourself inside each situation. Repeat after us and try to speak.
Remember, speaking is the only way to improve your English.
Let's start with the first situation, asking for directions in a new place.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the library.
The library is not far from here. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Oh, that's good. Which way should I go?
Go straight down this street, then turn left at the traffic light.
Straight and then left. Okay,
After that, you will see a park, and the library is across from the park.
that sounds easy to find.
Yes, it's a big white building. You can't miss it.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day. Now think, what question can you ask here?
Maybe, what time does the library close?
Perfect. Always ask more questions to continue the conversation. Now let's move to ordering coffee at a cafe.
Good morning.
Good morning. What would you like?
I would like a coffee, please.
What kind of coffee would you like?
What do you have?
We have espresso, latte, cappuccino, and black coffee.
I will have a latte, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Anything to eat?
Yes, what do you recommend?
The muffins are very fresh today.
I will take one blueberry muffin.
Great choice.
This is very natural. Simple questions and answers.
Yes, real English is simple, not complicated. Now imagine you are meeting a new neighbor for the first time.
Hello, are you new here?
Yes, I moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you very much.
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too. This building seems very quiet.
Yes, it is usually very calm.
That's nice. I like peaceful places.
If you need anything, you can knock on my door.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
This is how you build friendly relationships in English. Now let's go shopping for groceries.
Excuse me, can you help me find a few things?
Of course. What do you need?
I need milk, eggs, and bread.
Milk and eggs are at the back of the store. Bread is in aisle 2.
Thank you. And where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 5.
Great. Thank you very much.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
No, I think that's all for now.
Notice how polite the conversation is.
Yes, always use please and thank you.
Now let's practice calling in sick to work.
Hello, this is Anna.
Hello, Anna. How are you today?
I'm sorry, but I cannot come to work today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you sick?
Yes, I have a fever and a bad headache.
That doesn't sound good. You should stay home and rest.
Yes, I think that's best.
Please take care and get better soon.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
This is important for real life, clear and polite communication. Now let's go to a doctor appointment.
Good morning. I would like to make an appointment.
Of course. What is your name?
My name is David.
What is the problem?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
We have an available time at 3 p.m.
That works for me.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay, thank you very much.
Very simple, but very useful sentences. Now let's try returning an item to a store.
Excuse me, I would like to return this shirt.
What seems to be the problem?
It is too small for me.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like a different size?
Yes, do you have a medium?
Let me check for you. These are everyday situations you will face.
The more you practice these conversations, the more confident you will feel.
And here is the truth. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate.
You need clear, simple sentences.
Practice speaking every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Try to repeat this video again and speak with us out loud.
Try to use these sentences in your daily life,
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
because mistakes are part of learning.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and take care.